Sasu. Used for things like putting a bookmark in a book, flowers in a vase, a hairpin in hair, or a USB into a port. Sasu. 本にしおり、花瓶に花、紙にかんざし、USB をポートに、そんな場面でよく使います。It is used as a transitive verb. Sasu means you put something into a space or slot, plug or connect a device, plant a cutting into soil, or tuck a small item into hair or a pocket. 穴や隙間に物を入れること、カードやケーブルをポートにつなぐこと、枝を土に立てて増やすこと、紙やポケットに小さいものを留める感じです。The single kanji means to put something in with the hand. It pictures a hand guiding an object into a space. You can hear it in sashie when a picture is added into a book. You also see it in sounyu when text or a device is inserted. Place the flowers in a vase. 花を花瓶に挿します。花を花瓶に挿します。I put a bookmark in the book. 本にしおりを刺しました。本にしおりを刺しました。Wear a small flower in your hair. 髪に小さな花を刺す。髪に小さな花を刺す。Insert the USB into the port. USB をポートに挿してください。USB をポートに挿してください。The most common synonyms of the word are sashikomu and ireru. Sashikomu stresses pushing into an opening or slot. Ireru is a broader, everyday put in, and doesn't always imply a tight fit like sasu often does. The most common antonyms of the word are nuku and toridasu. They mean to remove something from a place, the opposite of putting or inserting it.